Good everyone, you're welcome to this video. To my new and old subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit hologram effects. Very simple, right? You've been seeing all these effects on your TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all of these social media platform. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit this video using your mobile phone CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's head over to CapCut. So here on CapCut, I've added my video. I believe that you know how to do that. Just go over to new project. This is it. Go over to new project and add your video. Good. So this is my video. Now this is how you are just going to shot this video. It is not difficult. Can you see I hold my phone? Just do as if I'm pressing my phone. So that's just it. So let me just split from here. Okay, so I split from here, so I'm going to delete. So see that point that I'm pressing my phone. Okay, this is where I went out of the okay, so I'm going to split from here. I'm going to delete. So you see this one, this is the screen record. Okay, I had to screen record this my Facebook story, so I had to screen record it. So this is what I'm going to do. So from here, I'm just going to split from here. Split. You see this one, delete. All right. So once I do that, now select this and go over to transform. I want to crop some parts out of it. Transform. Resize. You see this time, this 12:38. I want to move it out. Good. I want to cut this guy. Cut like this. Good. So once I cut it, so I'm going to select it again and go over to overlay. Bring it to overlay. This is it. Good. Once you bring it to overlay, hold on it and drag it under. Good. So drag it under. So once you drag it under, so just tap on it. Now use your two fingers to resize it, make it look small. Can you see? Make it look small. You can place it here. You can also place it to one side here. It depends on how you want it to be. But let's just place it here like this. Let's make it look more, make it small. Okay, so that's just it. So once you do that, now tap on this and go over to mask. This is mask. Now go over to horizontal. So once you go over to horizontal, bring it down, and you see this horizontal, tap on it again. Go over to feather. Now give it a feather. Just give it a feather. This is it. Just give it a feather. Can you see? Just make it. Let's make it 55. Right. So you are going to have it like this. Can you see? Can you see? So there is some point that, you know, maybe if your phone is not at a spot, you know, me, I hold my phone at a spot. You might decide to move your phone. Now, if you want to do that, in case your phone moves to one side, all right, what are you going to do? You are going to use keyframe. All right, let me just move it to that point. Let's see. Okay, now let's just use this one to be example. Maybe your phone moved from that spot. Now you are going to tap on this one. You're going to give it a keyframe. Now you see that point that your phone moved to, you're going to drag it to the place. So you're going to be like this. Can you see? So it is the work of the keyframe. It is the work of the keyframe. So it is very easy to edit hologram effect. Once you are done, just increase your resolution to 4K and export your video. All right, very simple. This is how to edit hologram effect. Please don't forget to share this video. Click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing tutorial like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Make sure you share this video to as many groups as possible. Please drop your comments. We need to grow on this channel. Please, I have a lot of tutorials on this channel. Make sure you check on the tutorials, right? If you want to become a professional video editor, check on those tutorials. And if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, just check the description. You are going to find my number there. Message me on WhatsApp so that we can strike a deal. All right. It is not like I won't charge you much. Okay. So that's just it. So once you are done, just add your sound and you are good to go. If you don't know how to add sound, please check at the end of this video. Make sure you check those videos. You are going to see how to use sound effects there. Thank you so much. And once you are done, just export your video. You're good to go. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in my next video.